Does your air conditioner emit unpleasant odors during operation? If more than a year has passed since the air conditioner was thoroughly cleaned, mold and fungi multiply inside it, which can be harmful to the health of the tenants during the operation of the air conditioner. Order a ductless air conditioner cleaning service today to enjoy clean air all summer long. All cleaning is done with environmentally friendly materials, which do not harm people and animals and are safe to work in a food environment. The cleaning is performed by an insured professional with many years of experience. You will not believe how much dirt will come out of your air conditioner after cleaning. We service Greater Toronto and Hamilton area. Book the service now for a special discount.